Working with colors. Your application allows you to choose and create colors using a wide variety of industry standard palettes, color mixers, and color models. A palette is a collection of color swatches. You can create and edit custom color palettes to store frequently used colors for future use. You can also customize how color palettes display on the screen by changing the size of swatches, the number of rows in palettes, and other properties. You can choose fill and outline color using fixed or custom color palettes, color viewers, color harmonies, or color blends. A range of colors are displayed in the color model, such as CMY, cyan, magenta, yellow. RGB, red, green, blue, CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black. HSB, hue, saturation, brightness. HLS, hue, lightness, saturation. And CIE, lab. Choosing colors using the default color palettes. You can choose fill and outline colors using the default palette, which contain 99 colors from the CMYK color model. The selected fill and outline colors display in the color swatches on the status bar. Choosing a color using fixed or custom color palettes. Third-party manufacturers provide fixed color palettes. Some examples of these are Pantone, HKS Colors and True Match. It may be useful to have on hand a manufacturer's swatch book, which is a collection of color samples that shows exactly what each color looks like when printed. Custom color palettes can include colors from any color model or fixed color palette. You can save a custom color palette for future use. Choosing a color using color viewer. Color viewers give a representation of a range of colors using either one-dimensional or three-dimensional shapes. The default color viewer is based on HSP color model, but you can also use this viewer to choose CMYK, CMY or RGB colors. Choosing a color using color harmonies. Color harmonies work by superimposing a shape, such as a rectangle or a triangle over a color wheel. Each vertical row in the color grid begins with the color located at one of the points on the superimposed shape. The colors at each corner of the shape are always complementary, contrasting, or harmonious depending on the shape you choose. The color harmonies allow you to choose the color models you prefer to use and are most useful when you are choosing several colors for a project. Choosing a color using color blends. When you choose a color using color blends, you combine base color to get the color you want. The color blender displays a grid of colors that it creates from the four base colors you choose.